Hi everyone, this is Aness, and I'm real. I'm not an AI, okay? I'm just saying that because someone came this morning thinking I was a robot. So no, I'm a real human, okay? I don't think there is an AI that could have my accent. Anyways, so let's keep going. So we saw the earnings risk that are stock specific. And now we're going to look at the CEO risk and management risk. And this is a real thing. Okay? So Zuckerberg is a great founder. He's been at Meta, Facebook, since the start. Can you imagine? This guy, he started the company and he built it until it becomes a Mac 7. All right? So he's a great CEO. And most likely, it means that Meta as well is going to do great. Why? Because it has a great leader who knows, who proved that he could do it. And he did it. Okay, so it makes a big difference over the long run. And it's one of the top three long-term picks. Okay, so me, I've been holding it as well. I have to disclose. But again, it has nothing to do with me holding it. Okay, but I have to disclose. Anyways, let's go. But United Healthcare, it's not a great long-term pick. Okay, it's not. Why? I mean, for many reasons. Okay, so it's not just this, but clearly you had a lot of negative news about the CEO. So the previous one, literally, he got shot. Okay, then the last one, he resigned. Now you have BlackRock that's putting pressure on them, etc. Anyways, I'm just saying there is a lot of problems inside of the company. And beyond the revenue prospects, the industry prospects, or anything, you have a CEO risk. Okay, you have a management risk. And this you have to consider it. It's serious. It's very serious. Okay? It doesn't mean that there is no short-term opportunity. Okay? So when it dips, you can profit from it short-term. We bought options. It was green, no? It profited. But long-term, you don't know. The signal is short-term. The signal was, this is a long-term signal. Okay, it's not a short-term. So if Meta also dips tomorrow, don't tell me Aness dipped, why, etc. I thought Zuckerberg knew everything. No, Zuckerberg, he's good for the long run. Short-term, it's trading volume that drives the market. Okay, same thing, same thing for bad CEOs. It can go up short-term, but long-term, it's usually a bad indication. Let's keep going. And so how the AI feeds into it, for me it's easy. For you get the data from Glassdoor, and you don't have to think more than that. Okay, so for you it's easy. You just have to read the signals. We make it easy. Okay, well, I'm not going to go survey all the employees. You get the data from Glassdoor. You see how many percentage of people of the employees approve the CEO, and you're done. Okay. So Nvidia, again, I have to disclose I own some, but Nvidia is a great company for the long run. Don't tell me, Aness, what's happening in 1 month if there is no short-term signal. Okay? Again, this is long run. And Boeing, you have 64% to approve. Here you have 98. Like, come on, it makes a difference. Okay? Boeing, they always have issues. They always have issues. The management, the employees who complain, etc. Like the company has internal problems. Let's not forget that a stock is also a business. Okay, you're investing in a business that's supposed to be already profitable. It's not always the case, and it doesn't mean that it's not good. But this is the idea. Okay, so there is a management risk. There is long-term satisfaction. It does matter. If you want to check it yourself, if you don't trust, but check Glassdoor. Okay, like me, the data, it doesn't come from nowhere, it comes from Glassdoor. And remember, you can predict a signal, but you cannot predict the stock. Okay, so you can predict the stock, but the stock is short-term or long-term. And you need the signal to know if it's short-term or long-term. Just like the rifle for short shoot and the sniper for long shoot. But the sniper doesn't work for short shoot, and the rifle doesn't work for long shoot. Okay? Then you have another risk, it's insiders trading. And this is also CEO and company management. Okay? And so the insider tradings, where do you pull them from? You pull them from the SEC, from Edgar. And Edgar, you're going to use it for a lot of things. We're going to talk about it. But, and this is not long-term. This is short-term signal. So when people, when management buys a trade, they file it. You have Form 4, Form 3, Form 5. It's usually done fast. And people will, they will look at the news, oh, he sold, and they will sell right away because they will be scared. They will say insider sold. Okay? So there is a short-term signal, but long-term, it doesn't mean anything. Like, let's be honest, insiders, they sell all the time. Okay? Like, they take profits, they take money, just like you pay yourself, just like you work for money, they do the same. Just like you take sometimes profit with stocks, they do the same. It's like regular thing. What you would really need to measure is, did they sell more? And even Jeff Bezos, he was selling more at some point. Why? Because he needed cash, because he had another project ongoing. Okay? So like you also have to ask yourself why. It's not always because they know something. But the reality is that short term, it makes a difference. So when insiders buy, you see the news, you can buy short term. Mid-term is going to revert back. So expect a dip, and long term, it has no effect. So the signal works short term, it's a hype. After that, it's going to fade away. Don't get trapped in the hype, okay? If you don't buy it first, don't touch it. And don't try to short it either, okay? Like don't do that. And again, this is 1% max. It's super risky, huh? Short-term strategies are risky, okay? The safe one is the long-term ones where you buy and hold and sleep on it. And if you cannot sleep on it and watch it every day, no, it's not a long term. You're basically short trading your long term strat. So don't do that either. Okay, allez, speak soon. Let's move on to the next video.